the fabulous Lee Stafford.
Anytime you have a bad haircut, we know how distressing that is. So fashion, it never stays the same, right? So this technique that I'm going to share with you is very, very simple. If you guys were really determined, you really wanted to be a success in what you do, then go and work for someone really hot. Not hot, you know, good. So Gail's having all her hair shaved off. So we're going to put it in 4 ponytails first of all, then we're going to cut it off because all this hair will be donated to a charity that makes wigs for children that have got cancer.
The fantastic Gail having braved the shape with the most wonderful Lee Stafford. Thank you all very much.